Hey. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a colorful bird using dots with a very simple tutorial. Okay guys, here we have a little cute story while we draw. This bird was bored of plain feathers and said, "Why should lines have all the fun? I want dotty fashion." So it started collecting colors dots. Dot here, dot there, and dot everywhere. And now it's waiting for an artist who can give it the most stylish dot wings. And yes, that artist is you, YOU. So grab your pen, markers, and patience. Let's turn simple dots into a beautiful flying friend together. And tada! Look at your colorful dot bird, guys. Cute, creative, and totally unique. Now it's ready to fly proudly across your page. If this bird made you smile, don't forget to like the video, comment, bird, and subscribe for more easy drawings and fun stories. And remember, big beauty can come from tiny dots. Till then, keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep spreading colors. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.